Get ready to witness a clash of foldable titans, the Huawei Mate X7 and the Honor Magic V5. Both pack stunning foldable OLED displays with insane brightness levels, Huawei hitting 2500 nits peak and Honor pushing an eye-watering 5000 nits. But which one dominates in chipset power, camera versatility, battery endurance, and unique features like stylus support or AI assistance? Will Huawei's Kirin 9030 Pro or Honor's Snapdragon 8 Elite lead the pack? And who truly offers the best foldable experience with their display tech and durability? Stick around, because the ultimate question remains: is the premium price of the Mate X7 justified over the more affordable yet feature-packed Magic V5? Let's dive in and find out. The Huawei Mate X7 boasts a slightly larger 8.0-inch foldable LTPO OLED main display with a sharper resolution of 2210 by 2416 pixels and an impressive peak brightness of 2500 nits, ideal for vivid HDR content. Meanwhile, the Honor Magic V5 offers a near-equivalent 7.95-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED panel, but crushes the brightness competition with a peak of 5000 nits, making it unbeatable in direct sunlight. Huawei's cover display uses Kunlun Glass 2 for durability, while Honor protects its cover display with the innovative Honor Anti-Scratch Nanocrystal Shield. The brightness advantage of the Magic V5's main and cover displays gives it a real edge for outdoor visibility. Under the hood, the Honor Magic V5 runs on the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite built on a 3-nanometer process, promising top-tier efficiency and performance. In contrast, the Huawei Mate X7 is powered by the in-house Kirin 9030 Pro chipset, which, while powerful, doesn't quite match the Snapdragon's latest architecture and optimization. For raw speed and future-proofing, Honor's platform is the standout here. Huawei Mate X7 shines with its 120Hz LTPO refresh rate, wireless pen support, and advanced vapor chamber cooling system, ensuring smooth visuals and thermal management. On the other hand, Honor Magic V5 impresses with its dual-screen handwriting, Yo-Yo AI assistant, and real-time AI translation capabilities, pushing AI integration and multitasking to new heights. Both offer 50-watt wireless charging and satellite communication, but Honor's software-driven AI features make it a productivity powerhouse. Huawei Mate X7's camera setup is a powerhouse with a versatile triple camera system, including a 50MP wide lens with variable aperture f1.4, f4.0, and a 50MP periscope telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom, delivering superior zoom flexibility and low light performance. The Magic V5 counters with its 64MP periscope telephoto, offering 3x optical zoom and a higher resolution ultra-wide sensor. But Huawei's variable aperture and longer zoom range gives it the edge for photography enthusiasts. Honor Magic V5 takes the selfie crown with dual 20MP wide front cameras including the cover camera, providing sharper and more detailed self-portraits compared to Huawei Mate X7's dual 8MP wide shooters. This makes Honor a better choice for selfie lovers and video calls. Huawei's variable aperture system stands out, allowing dynamic adjustment to lighting conditions for superior image quality, combined with multispectral and color spectrum sensors for richer colors. Honor focuses on AI enhancements like Super Night Mode, AI Super Zoom, and AI Scene Recognition, which improve shots through software intelligence. Huawei's hardware versatility still edges out for pure camera tech. The Honor Magic V5 packs a larger 5820 mAh silicon carbon Li-ion battery compared to Huawei Mate X7's 5525 mAh, promising longer usage times and better endurance, especially under heavy multitasking or gaming. Both phones offer IP58, IP59 dust and water resistance, but Huawei Mate X7's aerospace-grade aluminum frame adds a premium feel and durability. Honor Magic V5 stands out with built-in stylus support, catering to creatives and productivity users who want pen input natively. Huawei Mate X7 leads in RAM options, offering configurations up to a massive 20 GB RAM paired with up to 1 TB storage, ideal for power users and multitaskers. Honor Magic V5 maxes out at 16 GB RAM with 1 TB, still impressive but slightly less future-proof for extreme multitasking. Price-wise, the Honor Magic V5 comes in significantly lower, starting at around $1,260 plus, making it a more accessible foldable flagship, while Huawei Mate X7 demands a premium price of $1,590 plus, reflecting its top-tier materials and camera hardware.